Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Bedrock. It is a fully managed service from Amazon Web Services designed to simplify building and scaling generative artificial intelligence applications. Bedrock offers access to a wide selection of powerful foundation models from top AI companies and Amazon's own models. This means you can innovate quickly without worrying about managing complex underlying infrastructure, saving you significant time and effort. Amazon Bedrock provides several core capabilities to empower your AI projects. You gain access to a diverse range of pre-trained foundation models through one unified API. You can also customize these models with your own proprietary data, ensuring your information remains private and secure. Furthermore, Bedrock offers builder tools such as agents, knowledge bases, and guardrails to create more sophisticated applications. Its serverless design ensures seamless scalability and minimizes your operational burden. Once inside the minigame, your main objective is to complete a series of tasks without being caught by the evil nun. These tasks often involve collecting 3 specific items, activating 2 switches, or solving a small environmental puzzle. You will need to move stealthily, using the environment to your advantage. Each successful action brings you closer to completing the challenge and earning your reward. Beyond basic use, Amazon Bedrock enables advanced generative AI applications, such as intelligent virtual assistants and automated content creation. You can leverage agents to orchestrate multi-step tasks and use model distillation for up to 500% faster and 75% less expensive operations. Pricing is flexible, operating on a pay-as-you-go basis, primarily determined by input and output tokens. To optimize costs, select models suited to your task and consider batch inference for large-scale processing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.